Hello everyone, today is going to be the last tutorial, and then today is day 31st and we are in December 31st. I am happy again because we are ending this CapCut tutorial, but we are ending it. Remember, on day 28 I promised us that I'm going to show you how you are going to test your thumbnails, the thumbnail that we created, that we used to upload our day 28. So I'm going to show you the process of how I upload that video on my YouTube channel for day 28, and then I'm going to show you where exactly you are going to see that test and compare thumbnails. And then after we have uploaded that big video, it's going to take like 13 days before we can start seeing results. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, so we can see whether YouTube were able to test that thumbnails and be able to give us the best one. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into my computer, because I'm going to use computer to upload this video with easy access. I'm using phone, the same process. Let's get onto my computer. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. I am in my browser where I want to upload now, as you can see. So I'll come to my YouTube as usual. Come to your youtube.com. You can, if I have different, I have two YouTube. Okay, so this one is after. I can click this place if it is not the same, and because this is where I want to upload it. So I'm going to click on create, and then I'm going to choose upload video. So once I choose on upload video, I'm going to look for that video that I want to upload. So here I'm going to click on select files. So once I select my files, I'm going to look for the files that I downloaded, and I downloaded it from my CapCut, and I've already renamed it. Okay, so I used to tell us, let us always rename it. You see, I've renamed it to how to create thumbnails in CapCut. Always to rename your file. Okay, and then I click on open. So once I click on open, it will pop up like this. Normally what I used to do is, because this video is in series, so I use almost everything for all of it. So this is because this is the last one, so I will click on this reuse here. So okay, so that I can reuse everything that I have. I was telling us that I can create it automatically without being the one typing every time. So I'll just click and reuse this day 27. Everything that I use in day 27 will be here. All I will just need, I will just remove my title. Okay, I will remove my title. I will use the same thing. So I'm going to come here to click on reuse here. So everything that I have there will be there. The only thing that I normally change is the title, because it's not the same. I don't want it to be the same, because I want to make sure as much as possible to have different SEO search engine there for my. I can click on suggestion here because I'm using VidIQ. So if you have not started using VidIQ, you need to start using it. Okay, then I said CapCut thumbnails app that will change your life forever. So I will choose one of it, the one that they will suggest to me. So that's the one I will choose. I know I told you that I don't use the same. I don't like using the same title one. That is, I don't want to use everything will be the same thing. I want to make sure that I have a variety of it. And then in my description, in this video, we are going to learn how to. So I'm going to remove this one of the day 27 and how to create a thumbnail using CapCut mobile. Okay, so that is what I'm going to just put there for my description. I don't put much in my description. I put my keywords here. This is all my descriptions that I normally use in all my videos. Okay, God bless you. And then I'll go to upload here. You can see here, this is exactly where I want us to focus on this topic. This is exactly where I want us to, instead of clicking on upload file, because if you click on upload file, that means you are going to upload only one thumbnails, and we want to use test and compare. Don't let YouTube generate thumbnails for you, because it's going to flop. It's not going to be what you want. You have to create your thumbnails by yourself. Then this is exactly where we are coming into. test and compare. I don't know whether you have tried it before. If you have tried this before, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not tried it before, then it's an opportunity to try, at least try something new on your channel as well. So once you click on this test and compare, it's going to start. It will tell you that you have right to upload 3 images to learn which one your viewer is going to prefer. But like me, I've tested the 3. The 3 is so complicated for YouTube to even decide which one they want. But when I now decided to change it to 2. Then the 2, YouTube was able to test 2. So that is why I always stick to 2 now. Before I normally do 3. The 3 is too complicated for YouTube. So I normally stick to 2. That's why you see me that's why you saw that I created 2 thumbnails the last time that I was creating. So I'm going to click on plus. So once I click on plus, I want to go and upload that thumbnails. You can see this is one of the thumbnails. And the thumbnails does not have, I have not changed the name here. So I need to change the name, capcut thumbnail. If anybody is searching, it's also the same thing because it's still thumbnail that we are looking for. But I want to make it something that it is searchable. So I'm going to tap on it and rename it. So I'm going to, how to use capcut to create thumbnails. So that is what I'm going to use for one of it. Okay, you can see. Then the second one too, I have to change it as well. Okay, how to use capcut mobile for thumbnails. So you can see that I wrote two different words for them. I did not write the same thing. Okay, you can see. Then I'll click on OK. So I want to upload it one by one now. So how to use. Okay, so I'm going to put this one first. Okay, I'm going to put one like this. Then I'm going to open this one and import the second one as well. Is this one I uploaded? I'm going to import the second one as well. So it said the file is bigger than 2 MB. So I'm going to re-download this file so that I can reduce the MB. So I'm going back to where I downloaded it from. So I've done the necessary things I'm supposed to do. So I'm going to bring it here again. So I'm going to do the necessary things by renaming it again so that you can see the file have changed. Before it was more than 2 point, now it is 1 point now. So I'm going to rename it again and then I'll open it. So you can see without that one does not have any complaint because I've changed it. So you can see here, after I have added the 2 thumbnails there, just bring your cursor here. Your cursor, you put it here. You try to read what they said. They said testing thumbnails. Here is how it works. Upload image you want to test. YouTube will see which one perform best. Wait for the result up to 2 weeks to see the report. Go to the video details page. Viewer will see the winning thumbnails. YouTube automatically updates your video when the test is done. Remember, it is up to you. You can keep the winning thumbnails or choose a different thumbnails. So you can see that is what YouTube used to tell us, so that it is your choice again. Then after you click on this, done. So that is how I'm uploading my video. Then the playlist, because I've already used reuse here, I've choose this reuse. Everything is perfect for me. I don't need to do any playlist. No, it is not for kids. Then it is not paid. Then no alter content. So no alter content. Allow automatic chapters. Then allow automatic places. Allow automatic consent. These are my tags, the one that I'm using for this CapCut tutorial. Then the language is English. Okay, I don't put recorded. The one thing I normally don't do is I always uncheck this. Publish to subscription fees and notify subscriber. I normally uncheck it. Why me? Is for me personally. My own is because most of my subscribers from my beginning, I got them from Restream, and all of us, we know that Restream people don't really normally have interest in our videos. That we all know most of our long form videos. So I'm telling YouTube, go and search for people that will help me to watch my video. It is you that you will search for them. So it's not me. You go and look, not my subscribers, because most of my subscribers will not watch it, except those that subscribe for my video, that are enjoying my content. So that is what I used to tell YouTube to do for me. Then I'll click on next. So when I go to next, I must add my end screen. It's very, very important. Okay, you add your end screen to it. So you choose, YouTube will automatically choose for you. Okay, but me, I don't want this because they have been suggesting this every time. So just click on the one YouTube choose for you and click on this pencil icon to change it to the one that you want. I want the one of the freeze. Okay, so I put it myself, then I click on OK. So once I click on OK, I click on add cards. All these things are very, very important to put. Then I click on video to be able to choose different videos that I want. You can move this thing anywhere you want. Then you come back again. You have the right to add 5 cards there. It's okay. You have the right to add 5 cards. So when you have enough video, yes, it's very important for you to add it to your video. So I will add all my past video on this capcut to it, all my past one. That's what I'm adding. I'm picking 5 from them to add it to it. So that's what you see me doing. Okay, so I can choose anyone I want. Then it will not be more than 5. Then I'll click on save. So when I click on save, I click on next. So okay, they said checking if your video contain any copyright content. You see, they are still checking. It remains 34 seconds left here. Then 31, you can see it's going down. I click on next again. Then I don't put my video immediately in public. I don't even schedule it. What I normally do is I put my video in private. I'll put it in private. I will just put it in private and leave it for like almost 1 hour or 2 hours before I will post it. That's how I do my video, because I want to give YouTube enough time to be looking for audience that will love this video. I want to give them enough time. So I don't know whether it's working for me. I don't know. I just love to do it like that. I'm just using my instincts to do it like that as well. So if you want to try it, you can try it by yourself. If not, you can continue the way you are uploading your own. This is a personal choice. So it's my own personal choice that I love to do my things like that. So the upload complete and processing will begin shortly. Okay, they have the SD. You can see the SD process and they have the HD process. If you download your video in 1080, you're going to have SD and HD. But if you download your video in 720, you're going to have only SD. That is, the quality will be lesser. Okay, so that's why they recommend you downloading your video in 1080p. You see that they have changed to HD already. You see the two is going both HD and SD, so it's going to take a longer time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. That's one of the reasons why I don't go public immediately. Okay, I don't go public immediately. I will wait until all this thing is being done perfectly before I will go public. So I will wait for it to load, to do whatever they want to do there. They are still working on it. You can see 11 minutes, 60 minutes. Then I will save it. I'll click on save here. When I click on save, it will tell me to leave it open. Okay, you will see said video is still in process. Okay, you can see capcut. So I will just leave it like that. I will just leave my computer open the way it is now. I will not do anything on it. Just leave it open like that. So that is how I upload. We test it. We are testing those 2 thumbnails. We have to wait until it is being processed. Everything that we do is being processed. We are going to wait for it before we can be able to check whether it's working or not. It's going to take up to 2 weeks, as YouTube have said in what I've read for us while I was uploading the thumbnails. We have come to the end of our CapCut tutorial editing in 2024, and then I am here to tell you I'm wishing you happy new year in advance, because tomorrow is going to be, we are going to another year in 2025. So I'm going to see you in 2025. My name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. See you in 2025. Bye.